Good morning, everyone. I just completed day one, traveling from Judith Point, Rhode Island to Branford, Connecticut, where I had fuel, got a bite to eat, and visited the Foot Memorial Park in Branford. It was all pretty cool. I had planned to stay in a state park with a marina, although when I got there, the marina is privately run, and I was not really excited about the place anyways because the docks were in terrible condition. And so I ended up finding a nice little bay to anchor in. What a way to start the morning. Hope you're having a great day too.